Hard work is overrated. That probably sounds wrong, maybe even offensive. We've been told our entire lives that if you just work hard enough, you'll succeed. But if that were true, why are some of the hardest working people still stuck? Why do people who wake up earlier, stay up later, and push harder not always get ahead? Because hard work alone isn't the answer. Direction is. You can spend years climbing a ladder, only to realize it was leaning against the wrong wall. Effort without clarity isn't strength, it's a trap. The world doesn't reward the hardest worker. It rewards the one who understands where to apply their effort. So tell us in the comments, has hard work alone ever been enough for you?